Hello, Chef Isabella here with Mansfield ISD Student Nutrition, offering some more meal inspirations. On Thursday, April 15th, we will be offering a bundle with 2 breakfasts and 2 lunch, as there will be no service on the 16th due to early release. Utilizing some of the ingredients from your bundles, we have a build your own pizza along with a grapefruit brulee. Here is our French bread pizza, which comes with a diced green bell pepper. We're putting that on a cookie sheet, and then we're going to spread those bell peppers over the top, making sure that they're covering the whole surface. Then we're going to pop it into a 400-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes until the cheese is nice and melty. And there you have it, delicious with some marinara dipping sauce. Here are some fresh ingredients that we keep in our kitchen that you might have at home that you would like to add in addition to those green bell peppers. So here we have green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and diced onion. On the next one, we're going to do some diced green onions, cherry tomatoes, and pieces of ham. On this one, if you want to spice it up, we have ham and pickled jalapeno. And last but not least, the most wonderful of combinations, ham and pineapple, salty and sweet, Hawaiian pizza for you to enjoy. Next, we're going to work on the grapefruit brulee. We're going to start by taking our grapefruit and rolling it on its side with the stem and the tip horizontal. We'll cut that stem and tip off so that the grapefruit lays flat after we cut it, right down the middle. And now we have 2 halves. We'll go ahead and get rid of that seed, then we're going to flip them over and let some of that juice drain off on a paper towel. We've transferred them to a cookie sheet, and here we have a mixture of cinnamon sugar, and we're going to just sprinkle that all over the top of both of the 2 grapefruits. Combined, it's about 1 tablespoon of cinnamon sugar. Here they are in the broiler of the oven, which requires a parent's assistance, but see how nice and bubbly they are? And that sugar caramelized on the top? Delish. Here are the recipes for the items that we've shared with you today. And if you have any of your own meal inspirations or would like to share with us what you've done, please join us on social media. We have Facebook and Instagram, and we'd love to see your creations.